Hey YouTube, Triple W Adventures here, Ladon here, coming to you. Yep, as you guessed it, we're on another camping trip. We are headed to Fort Wilderness, going down to Disney. As you can tell, we're already on the road. We're actually in Macon, Georgia. Stopped at a rest area here, need us a bite for supper. We are headed to Valdosta, Georgia. We're going to be staying at the Eagles Roost RV Park in Valdosta. And didn't get to film this morning when we left. It was pouring down rain. We're getting a late start. Didn't leave till after lunch. So, but we stopped in here to eat us a bite, eat us a sandwich, and before we head on down and set up camp for the night. So we'll let you know when we get there. Check back in with us. Appreciate you stopping by. Well, good morning, YouTube. Well, it's the next morning. We didn't get to video last night. We didn't get in until after 8, about 8:30 before we got in, and got set up probably close to 9 o'clock by the time we get everything. We just basically unhooked the camper, hooked up water, and hooked up the power, and that's it. So we are sitting around this morning. It's about 10:30. We're fixing to start packing up and getting ready to move on to Disney. So just wanted to shoot out this little video. We are at Eagles Roost RV Resort and Conference Center, Lake Park, Georgia. So real nice campground. Good paved spots. Got everybody out moving around. So, oh, you're fine. Say hello. Got the puppy out. Mom's up moving around. I'm going to do a walk through the campground here in a few minutes. Maybe take a look. Like I said, got nice sites are a little close. Wouldn't you think, Teresa?
Yeah.
I mean, sites are a little close, but for a one-night stay, I mean, they're concrete pads, level pads. Got these good metal picnic tables and chairs at all the sites. Some of them have concrete picnic tables, 30 amp. Some are 30, 50, 20 amp, water, sewer, all full hookups. According to the map, they got I'll insert a picture of the map. They have office, gift shop, laundry room, bathhouse, swimming pool. Right next to a flea market. We got horseshoe pits, picnic tables. It's a small pool, storage area. I think over here there's some grass sites. I think that's just storage for them, but it's showing some tent sites. There's a playground over there. So good campground. We'll do a walk through here in a few minutes and show you some more of it. Okay, guys. Well, we're gonna walk around, take a look at the campground. Give you a little insight of how they look. That right there, and the way it looks on the map, that's your basic. I think all it's got is water and power, maybe storage. Over there's the playground. All that's grass sites, sand. Got plenty of big trees with the Spanish moss. Love that. Love seeing all that. As you can see, our sites and everything are pull-through sites. Everything's pull-through sites. It goes all the way down, loops around. There is 3 rows of sites here. Like I say, we're in B. Aisle number 2, site 58. That's our setup. I have these little pedestals, good little pedestals here that have your hookup breakers on one side, double water hookup. On this side is your cable and telephone hookup. So real quiet. You're kind of close to the interstate. You can see Interstate 75 over there. You hear the traffic a lot. I think there's an airport somewhere around here because we hear airplanes last night. But we'll walk over here on the other side. They got a dog park area over here. we're gonna go walk around the campground and show you some of the other areas here. Concrete drive in between these two sites, and on the back side it's a dirt road that comes around. Well, right next to, I don't know, I guess it's an inlet, ocean inlet, just through the woods. Gives you a little look at the back of it where we're at, as you can see there. So anyway, that's a little bit of where we're staying at. We'll walk around and show you the campground. You can also this is the A section, all pull through. Some of these are 50 amp, some are 30 amp only. Some are 30/50, some are only 30. Good little quick little stop. It's the polar bear sticking her head out of the bag. Probably do, yeah. A lot of them do. Yeah, wants to travel and work, yeah. Playground with tires and swings, and look at the little R-Pod. Yeah. A little bit bigger. This is the main registration. Says that it has a bathhouse and laundry. There must be the bath. I see the ladies and men's entrance. There's the pool area. We will go in this is restrooms for the pool. We'll go inside the gift shop. Mm-hmm. Oh, look at these. The camper. Their fall Christmas tree. on the bath and showers. Nice and clean. Out here at the pool. We can. Yeah, I'm just gonna walk down there and see what's down there. They got a conference center. Yeah, there ain't but one. Yeah. Got a nice laundry room in there. The entrance coming in. Yeah, now this is a real nice campground. Let's see, what do we got up here? Looks like they got LP gas fill up. You can fill your LP tanks. Conference center. Up here looking, what's in here? The pine room. What's in the pine room? They have an adjoining flea market that's part of the campground. Looks like just a conference room in there. Conference center building. Now those are all conference rooms. Teresa, those are all conference rooms up there.
Well, let's go this way.
And then it goes. Now that down to there is got horseshoe pits over here, and then camping goes way on down through there. Pavilion to use. Well, there's the flea market, horseshoe pits, pavilion, more camping sites. As you can see down through there, more areas, more camping sites. Look like all grass or dirt sites down through there. There's a building in there at the end of it. But yeah. But yeah, guys, had kind of show you a little bit about Eagles Roost Campground RV Park, Lake City, Florida, just before the Florida state line. Good one-night stop, or if you want to enjoy the area down here a couple days, good price. Look them up, check them out on RV Park. Either they have Good Sam's discount, AARP, emergency services, fire, police, EMS, have all those discounts. So check them out. If you're down this way, you just need a rest for the night, or you want to stay a couple days. So we got some people checking out here. We're gonna walk down here and hook up and get all our stuff together, and we're gonna head on down to Disney. So appreciate you stopping in and watching this video. If you like what you seen, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Let me know what you think about it. So until next time, y'all stay safe, safe travels, And as always, life's too short. Get out there, have an adventure, and create you some memories.